The SG of Triple C, Mr. Senator Chabamwe, your president, Nelson Chamisa, has resigned and left the party. What's next for you and your party?
Well, we are not angry. We are just disappointed that the leader decided to walk away without really giving an indication, giving a signal that he was going to walk away. But we wish him well. We know that he's gifted in preaching. We hope that he's going to open a church and preach the gospel of God, because politics and church, those are two different things. So we hope that he is going to endeavor his gifted ability in that arena. So we wish him well. But the party is going to be intact. The party is going to rejuvenate the party, because we are going back to the basics. We are reconfiguring the party. We are formalizing the structures. We will be preparing for the Congress. So this, in a way, is going to build a sense of ownership within the membership at large.
You said you're following the 2019 Congress. So who takes over the leadership of Triple C now?
The collective leadership is sat down and is going to continue sitting down, consulting, engaging, and making appropriate decision. So we expect that they will announce and recommend who should lead in this on interim basis before we go to Congress. So we have got capable women, we've got capable men, tried and tested, who can really fill the vacuum. So the party is still intact, and I've got no doubt at the back of my mind that we are going to get stronger.
We are seeing tweets and social media, some of the members of parliament and senators saying they are with the Chamisa and they are also leaving Triple C. Have we heard anything from them?
Yes, we are reading it from the media, but we are a party. We don't, if these members of parliament or members of the councillors